This is the Dreame L20 Ultra, and honestly, it might be one of the closest things we've seen to a truly hands-off robot vacuum. Dreame claims this thing can vacuum, mop, clean itself, empty itself, and basically take over your floor care routine. Sounds amazing, right? But after testing it in real-world situations, with pet hair, spilled coffee, dusty corners, and rugs, I found a couple of things they definitely don't highlight in the marketing. So, is this futuristic cleaning robot actually worth over $1,000? Let's talk about it.
Dreame L20 Ultra product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Dreame L20 Ultra is Dreame's flagship robot vacuum and mop combo, released in late 2023, aimed squarely at people who want premium smart home convenience with as little manual cleaning as possible. And this thing is packed. You get powerful 7,000 Pascal suction, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, spinning mop pads, automatic dust emptying, automatic mop washing, hot air drying, and even automatic mop removal when it detects carpets. Yeah, seriously, the robot can actually leave its mop pads behind at the dock before vacuuming rugs.
Dreame L20 Ultra Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in everyday life? Honestly, really well. I tested the Dreame L20 Ultra on hardwood floors, low-pile rugs, thicker carpets, and even some pretty nasty kitchen messes. The suction power is no joke. Pet hair, dust, crumbs, it handled almost everything without struggling. And unlike cheaper robot vacuums that randomly bump into walls like confused bumper cars, this thing moves with purpose. The navigation is excellent. It maps your home quickly, creates accurate room layouts, and avoids obstacles surprisingly well. Shoes, cables, pet bowls, it recognized most of them without issue. Not perfectly every single time, but definitely better than a lot of competitors. Now, the mopping performance is where things get really interesting. Those spinning mop pads actually scrub the floor instead of just dragging around a damp cloth. And because the dock automatically washes the pads during cleaning sessions, you're not spreading dirty water across your floors halfway through the run. That makes a huge difference. One feature I genuinely loved was the automatic mop lifting and removal system. If the robot detects carpet, it can either raise the mops or leave them entirely at the dock before vacuuming rugs. That means no damp carpets. And if you've used older robot mops before, you know how annoying that problem is. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this robot is loaded with tech. First up, the fully automatic base station. This thing empties the dustbin, refills clean water, washes the mop pads, and dries them with hot air to prevent odors. Basically, the dock is doing half the work behind the scenes. In real life, that means you can genuinely go weeks without touching the robot. That's a game changer if you hate cleaning maintenance. Next is the AI obstacle avoidance system. The front-facing sensors and cameras help the L20 Ultra identify objects in real time, which makes navigation feel smarter and safer, especially if you have pets or kids leaving stuff around the house. Then there's the app, and thankfully, it's actually good. Design and build? Aesthetically, Dreame absolutely nailed the design. The robot itself looks sleek and modern with a clean matte finish that blends nicely into most homes. It feels premium without screaming tech gadget in the middle of your living room. The docking station is definitely large though. That's something you'll need to plan for. It's much bigger than standard robot vacuum docks because it houses water tanks, the dust system, and the mop cleaning hardware. But honestly, the trade-off feels worth it considering everything it does.
Pros. Excellent vacuuming and genuinely impressive mopping performance. Fully automated dock dramatically reduces maintenance functionality. Smart obstacle avoidance and accurate room mapping comes standard. Cons. Premium price tag puts it out of reach for some buyers. Thin cables and tiny objects can still occasionally confuse navigation. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're someone with pets, kids, hardwood floors, or just a busy schedule, the Dreame L20 Ultra is seriously impressive. It's one of the few robot vacuums that genuinely feels like it reduces your cleaning workload instead of just adding another gadget to manage. The combination of powerful suction, excellent mopping, and that insanely capable dock makes day-to-day cleaning almost effortless. Now, if you live in a smaller apartment or you just want basic vacuuming, this is probably overkill. There are cheaper robot vacuums that'll get you 70% of the experience for half the price.